conversation didn't go well between Hloso and Dintle. Hloso even told Dintle to learn a thing or two from Madlomo, and that really annoyed her. Fufu overheard Dala saying that Victor stole money from Pesha Fela, and Tab starting to believe that she's involved, while he continues to feed his mom information. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Hloso and Dintle went for counseling with an older therapist, and the one that Hloso want, but things went south because they still continue to fight in front of the therapist. Well, they've just been married for 5 months and already kushubile because they're not agreeing on finances. Hloso wants to be man of the house. Dintle wants things done, wants them to communicate and do things together. But Hloso ufuna ukubuka basekhaya. The next thing Hloso ruined it by still calling uMadlomo his wife. Atiyambona is still calling him his wife. Ukhohliwe ukuthi ulibetse gore motho mosadi wa yena amtlogetse when he was in prison. I'm the one that saved him. Hloso feels like I don't need to be taken care of Dintle. You should learn a thing or two from Madlomo. And that really annoyed her. And then Udintle says, what you said about me learning something from Madlomo really got to me. You forgot what she did to you. She left you. She believed you were guilty. I'm the one that saved you. But I don't know why you still care about her. I think also you're not going to understand the bond between people that were married for over 20 years. But I don't blame you because your parents were not married. That hit to the nail. It was too much. Dintle was just like, you know what? I'm done. So it does not seem like they'll be fixed anytime soon because hey, it's a mess. Now Mdala is worried that why did Tabs tell his mom that he was there when Victor had the seizure because his mom's gonna use it against him. Tabs is like, but my mom won't want to see me go to prison. Your mom is unpredictable. There's no telling what she can do. She can't be trusted. Now Tabs realized that the money that was in the account, the link incorporated that his mom created, the money has been moved. That account is clean now, and the money can't be traced to the guy. Mama Kawi move and this means that Victor does not work alone because Victor Usal is still in a coma. Taps goes to see his mom and feeds her this information. Now Mama Hai tries to make him lose umkondo by saying, I think Wanahai is involved. Halalelo, please look closely into her. While she makes plans to hide the money in an offshore account, Dala tells Tlhogi gore motho a deserve sympathy yaka when you must keep going to the hospital because that man stole a lot of money, millions from Pesha Fela, so he does not deserve sympathy. Tlhogi is shocked to Victor the million, and then Bridget overhears this information of Victor stole money. Kanjani when Victor was so stressed. And then Tori Soli Poet they're struggling here because the interview they did, they turned the whole thing to saying Poet, they even made a meme and dressed him up and a duke because he said he wouldn't mind taking Toriso's surname. Now Tidi is laughing about this whole thing, showing it to Gidibon. Gidibon was furious, and then they had a talk with Poet. How are you comfortable with all this? And then he mentioned the same thing. They were furious. How will you do such a thing? Kukur was just an opinion, not what get year. Chiki Toriso comes saying, yo man, we made it 250 subscribers. We're gonna get our silver plaque from YouTube. They're so excited, but the parents don't understand. We're really excited. Toriso, you don't mind what your man is being a laughing stock out there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.